Okay guys, so have you ever wondered what's inside this fancy building here? You won't believe this is a free place to visit in London and one of the top attractions in London as well. And also you can enjoy the stunning views of the London skyline from its terraces. This place is also called as the Walkie-Talkie Tower. So yeah, you need to make sure you need to book your ticket at least 3 weeks before your visit from their official website, obviously. And I have added a link in the description as well for your convenience. The nearest station is Bank or Monument, followed by approximate 10 to 50, not 10, I think 10 minutes walk from here. And we are standing right underneath the building. So yeah, and our tickets are also ready. So it's time to now join the queue, and then there will be a short security check as well. So that time I won't be able to film it. So let's head inside and find out if it is really worth to visit or not. We have joined the queue, walking down near to the security check. It's not that crowded today, but there are still, I think, 30-40 people ahead of us, so it won't take much time anyway. This is the Sky Garden. There is Skyport bar at 35th floor, ground bar free, pretty garden. So now we are inside the 35th floor Sky Garden. There is a bar here. So the first thing first we need to go outside, because normally outside gets closed around 6 o'clock. Okay, so right now we are on 35th floor. That's the London Bridge Station, that's the Strand. Now come back this side. If you go and from this corner, you'll be able to see the Tower Bridge. And if you look ahead, I'm not quite sure you'll be able to see it or not, but the bunch of buildings you saw there, that is basically the Canary Wharf, the financial district.
Oh yeah.
This side you'll be able to see the London Eye and a small glimpse of Westminster as well. And yeah, that is, you see in the middle, that one is basically the St. Paul's Cathedral. So yeah, if you come here, you'll be able to see a lot of landmarks in one place. So this is the inside of the Sky Garden. Now we are going to walk top. Okay. There are places where you can sit at the same time. From here also you can see the view. And this is one of the restaurants. So this is the restaurant down. Are you tired now?
Yeah, a little bit.
See? That's the Gherkin building. So, that building and that building also has viewing galleries. So imagine this is 35 floor and that is around on 58 and 62 floor, I think, if I remember correctly. So from there you will be having the view much better as well. So in our next videos we're gonna go to those places as well, and in those places also free. So stay tuned for those videos as well. Okay, now it's already sunset and this place really looks beautiful now with the views from outside buildings. Okay, this is how it looks after sunset. This looks so beautiful now, guys. Look down here. So guys, it's always best to come Sky Garden around 3-4 o'clock if you are in winter, so that the sunset will be around 5:30, so you can see it in a full glory in the daytime as well as when it's night. This place looks gorgeous now. The Tower Bridge, Tower of London, everything is really nice. Okay, that's it guys. That's all about the Sky Garden visit. I hope you like this video. If you like this, then give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more travel stories and videos. Cheers, bye.